Welcome kids to your English virtual class. In today's class we will do Unit 2 of our English reader book. The name of the chapter is Books. In this unit we will read about the importance of reading books because reading gives us excessive knowledge and lessons of life. It helps you understand the world around you in a better way. It keeps your mind active and enhance your creative ability. You will get an amazing amount of knowledge and information from reading good books. So make it a habit to read good books. The chapter starts with a riddle based on book. The riddle is, my leaves are white, they never grow, and everything you want to know is stored in those black marks you see. On every leaf you find in me. The answer is on this page. It is a book. Now you know the answer of this riddle. You can ask this riddle from the family members. Just to check whether they know the answer or not, it will boost your confidence level that now you can also test their knowledge. So give it a try. Now we will do the next exercise. Books can be of wide variety. Let us see if you can match the types of books with their description. On the left hand side there are various types of books, and on the right hand column is that what these books are about. So we will match them one by one. The first one is fairy tales. Fairy tales are the stories of fairies, magical people and events. Second is epic. Epic, long poem and story about heroic deeds. Autobiography, story of a person's life written by that person. Detective stories, collection of mystery stories. Cartoon books, book containing sequence of drawing. Novel and fiction, long story divided into chapters. Poetry books, collection of poems. Fable, old stories that teach a lesson. Folk tales, stories about ordinary folks. So match these columns very carefully and try to learn it too. Next exercise. Great men and thinkers have used different names of books. Use the given words in sentences to explain each name. One is done for you. Means you will make the sentence by using the word book also. Companion. The meaning of this is best friend. Books are our companions in all circumstances. The second is window. It shows word to us. So books are the windows of our society. Next is lighthouse. Lighthouse is a structure which show direction to the ship. Just like that, books are the lighthouse which show the path of success. Teacher. Teacher teach us good things. So just like teachers, books are the teacher who teaches us moral values. Treasure, storehouse of knowledge. So books are the treasure which can't be compared with money. So your homework is complete page 29 and 30 of your English reader book, and you will complete these two pages with pencil only in your English reader book. That's all for today. Bye-bye.